It's a Yanmar F165D. Excellent tractor. Comes with the factory installed tiller on it. Great shape. Brand new front tires on it. Pretty decent rears. Low hours on it. It's only got 866 hours on it. Four-wheel drive. That lever on the right there. The one on the left is a locking differential. It has a high and a low, plus 3 gears. It's got a 3-speed PTO on it. Brand new loader, 4-foot bucket. Joystick controller on it, so you can control the loader with one hand. Looks like somebody set something on the top of it, maybe, I don't know, boxes or something, and slid them on and off. So it's got little fine scratches on the hood. Other than that, it's excellent shape. Been completely serviced, no oil leaks. This isn't a YNM. This is an actual Yanmar. YNMs are originally Yanmars that were sent to Vietnam. They take them apart, they spray paint everything, put them back together, and you think you're getting a brand new tractor, and you really don't know what you're getting. They spray paint over rust. They spray paint the engine, the hoses. Looks brand new, and you don't know what you're getting. So go ahead, start it up. Lid on it. See, it runs really well, doesn't blow smoke. It's nice and clean. See, he's got the brand new tires on it. Still got the little things on them, whatever those are called. That loader lifts up about, I don't know, 500 or 600 pounds. It goes up about 7 feet. Tiller's great to have. I know somebody that has one with a tiller, and they use it to do their horse rings, wherever that's called, their arenas. Instead of using a box scraper or a Gannon, it's kind of hard because you end up pulling a bunch of dirt in piles. But nice to have just for the weight, actually, so you can load up, counterbalance that front end. The tiller goes down about 18 inches, and it'll go through this hard stuff that I have that you have to use a jackhammer on. So it's powerful. Easy to take it on, put it off. There it is. It's a Yanmar F165D four-wheel drive tractor. Great shape. We do have brand new box scrapers. See one on the back of that one there. I've got a couple of tillers. Got a brand new backhoe. So if you want to see this tractor or any other ones we have, go to ToughTractors.com, ToughTractors.com.